are pleased to show you the 2015 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, heated mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.